GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, Exercise number 7C, Implementing Palindrome Program using String. What is palindrome? A string is said to be palindrome if the reverse of the string is the same as the string. That is palindrome. Let's see one example. Radar, R-A-D-A-R. In the reverse, that is R-A-D-A-R. Both are same, no? So that is called as a palindrome. But you can see R-A-D-I-S, radix. In the reverse you can take X-I-D-A-X. It is not same. So that is not palindrome. Okay, let's see the program. First, define one function. Okay, before that the program starts from here only. S is equal to Malayalam. This string will be stored in this S variable. Okay, next another one variable is there, ANS, which is equal to is palindrome. This is one function. Then if we call this function, it will move to here. Okay, def is a keyword. By using that you can create a function. So it is automatically moved here. Okay, so while moving this S variable is stored as Malayalam. It will be passed as a argument. It will move here. Here it will convert it as a parameter. Then return S is equal to double equal to. We are checking that S of negatively, that reversely. If you want to get any string, you can use this method, that is double colon -1. Okay, -1 starts from last index. So that reverse string which is equal to the original string means it will return the answer. So if you get that answer, it will print yes, else no. Okay, so the output is yes. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 7C, implementing palindrome program using string. Aim to write a Python program for implementing that palindrome program using string. Algorithm: step 1, start the program. Step 2, read the string. Step 3, reverse the string and compare with the original string. Step 4, if both the string are same. Step 5, print yes, else print no. Step 6, stop the program. This is a program. Function definition is that we define by using a keyword. Def is one keyword. By using that keyword, you can create the function. Function name is palindrome. Parameter is s, and return, which s is equal to, that is a reverse character, reverse strings, which is both are equal means it will return the answer. So the main function starts from here, which is s is equal to Malayalam, is stored in s variable, and ANS is another one variable which is equal to function name is palindrome is called. So automatically it will move to here with the parameter, and yes, so Malayalam will come here, which is equal to reverse. Reverse string is -1. The last one m is a -1. From that up to m it will be reversely, it will be calculated. Check the condition. If both are equal means it will give the print yes, else print no. So we got the output as yes. Let's see the execution part in Python. In the description box I have given the link how to install Python. You can refer that. After install Python, in the start type ideally shell will be opened. Then click file, new file. Then you can start typing the program. After you type the program, click the file, save. Where you store the Python, there only you want to store this file also. Check the path. So inside this, give the file name, Palin I have given. Then click save. File is saved. Click run module. So you get the output yes. Result of this program, thus the Python program to implement palindrome using string was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood what is palindrome and how to write a palindrome program using string. Thank you.